Hello everyone, I'm Helen al Harasis and I'm Miss Dubai Globe 2019. And today I get invitation to our sponsors, Galaxy Dental Clinic. And now I'm in Elite Medical Center and now we will go up and we'll check a doctor. I'm happy to be here and I'm happy to know you personally. And I would like to hear about your clinic more. And also I know that you're already 2 years a partner of our competition. So can you tell us what you do here, how you help beautiful ladies, and not only for ladies, to have a nice smile, nice teeth, and how to care actually about teeth?
We are happy to be a partner. And we are working for more than 15 years now in dentistry in here. Elite Medical Center is now more than 15 years. We are doing all the cosmetic work and all the treatment for teeth. And again, I'm saying we are happy to be a partner in this.
Очень. Как в детстве. Нет, я шучу. Когда такой красивый доктор, не страшно.
Спасибо.
Elite Medical Center.